Big and small, we sell them all at Long Haul. Quite a contrast here that we have in our front corner of our lot with the wee little bitty pro lights and the big front living 4-slide Sanibel that we've got in front of us here today. But we've got a trailer for every application. If all you can tow is a wee little 1,000-pounder, then Pro Light is just for you. If you're looking for something for permanent living, or for Florida, or for setting up at a permanent campsite, or if you just simply got a big truck that you can tow whatever you want to tow, then the Sanibel here is a great choice. Front living, rear bedroom, beautiful, roomy trailer. Let's take a look. So we'll start with the standard features of most big fifth wheels right now, which is front auto leveling, front docking lights, prepped for solar, all-in-one docking station with easy winterization all in one spot, your vents all together in that same spot, your power hookup, so your water hookups, power hookups, and your propane venting all in one spot. 6-point electric leveling, 8-bolt aluminum 16-inch rims. Here are your slide outs for your kitchen slide, your front bedroom slide, your rear living slide. Your sewer drains are at the back. Rear ladder, rear mount spare tire, hitch underneath for a bike rack, prepped for the backup camera. Awning goes over top of your living room slide out. Your back is your bedroom. Remember, that's a little bit different layout. That's why there's no windows in the back. Your windows are in the side and the front. Nice big kitchen windows. Motion sensor lights in your key locations. Turn on as you get close. You see that in the entryway and the washroom. Some storage closets as well. Fold away 4-step. Big grab handle, outdoor speakers. It's got the upgrade to the internet. Upgradable for the internet if you want it as a hotspot. Now, stepping into the interesting part of this trailer, walk into the front or the middle kitchen area. Kitchen and dining. Bedroom towards the back. And this beautiful, spacious front living room. Definitely an entertainer's trailer. 2 fold-out couches, both convert into beds, so it's a great spot for extra visitors to crash. You've got the comfy theater seating, kickback and USB chargers and lights and the armrest. Front window with the power TV. You can pull the blind, of course, as the sun's shining in, or raise up the TV that blocks it off as well. Nice amount of cabinets around it. Electric fireplace. That's your secondary heat. Main heating is your propane furnace. Ducted AC, front to back, nice even cooling and heating. Taking a walk towards the back right now. You've got nice big king bed slide, big closet, and a very spacious rear washroom with, again, lots of storage areas. 2 sinks, lots of mirror door cabinets, glass door shower, a spot for your washer and dryer, or if you're not using a washer and dryer, the shelves are there. Nice big closet. Four padded chairs around the dinette table. Lots of windows. Beautiful kitchen with a tall oven. Can definitely bake the cookies for the Cookie Monster right there. 4-burner stove. Big convection microwave. Full height fridge and freezer. And a large walk-in pantry. Lots of shelves for your food. Got a 110 plug in there, so if you want to put your appliances in there out of the way, you can do that. You also have the end shelf there where you can also put a coffee perk and toaster, and small appliances can go along there as well. That's the Sanibel with front living. Come check it out at Long Hall in Listowel.